Hello, Linge, Dashle, Kamsang, and the channel to get the pure thing in Basishigi. Telling until 5 days of 5 vowels, Kajima Tama de Chabore, the let's say in the series, the Harry ratio by Inang, and Nima Kaza, Nima Chick, the Tarinima Tama, Nimanga Chidunigi, Mutune, Nima Tapachu, Chik Shopala, the vowel Nagisus, Nidun Chick, Doji Sony, look the red, Tarinima Tama, the Indi vowel, Kariko, Lechadrana, vowel. U pronunciation the lentong word nam yung anso ha alani ale the rantong word laso ani mutin siruna laso tamanso tharing vowel u agi ko la machine langa khazani ni manga chidu ni thu muthine da yu de la thing choki chikpe comment share da chen ya ku yawe da chikpen thok sung ya ku du muthin siruna do ta sebube go chungsrani songza de nyen thu singe chen gyunge share chinge subscribe chinge changmalola nue gatin che shwe ra so mi ni dong chopala chomi subscriber chawa thang ani nyen thu di ni lesson shwe da thing choi comment share changma Chig yapu chungsu successful later ra yapu chungsu samsam lo chungsra ani sonsa linge changlo karin che shira la sata yedu go to me ani ta thangbo yela you la sound kharitung wala na ra she ani tinso consonant so ki sound she ra dingi ki 44 sounds in English, 26 letters, 44 sounds when you Kazan and Yadin and so tiny and Mambuji Shin, right? Digi Yenduni, I got none that what she go. I got no meaning in description now, shall running you with the injection Sirona. Then you do the Suzuki sound chiller in the right. Bila Harlere ba, Dila da, Gila ga, and la ma, and na, pi pa, essa. That's so. Adam ba up ada ad aga ag ama ana an apa up ani asa as laso tinso sama karire dega consonant so isang ratenda vowel na a e o le khazan ni ge shude ju radical short vowel sound redarwa long vowel sound mare long vowel sound gi nyen thu de nyen dinela nyen thu silent letter e yorwa de ki kole nyen thu de sudi ni de kole tishi jayo hini so de chik siro na dinge I card na dawo hemene description wala link shawra lasutta nganzo up at ak an up as these are the CVC words the ye ga consonant chik thi and CVC words consonant vowel consonant gi chik to sugindarwa tasuta up kana khari jab ke thango sa up sub da up dub ra tasuta at khari lage ba at but ani ta at tut okay tene ag ra ug ag aga ag khari lage ma ag mak tene ishimbachi khari tiga ta ag tak That's ta ama ra sa sam ba bam That's ta an ba an ban fa an fun nasa swara apa apra ta sa up sub ne कर लगे ta up tap so ta asa as ba us. Bus. Ini kali lagi. Kali tiga na us nas. Okay. Tadi kali vowel u adi consonant susun yang dalam jadi semula sound kandidasi lejera. Up, sup, dup. At, but, tut. Uk, muk, duck. Some, bum. Bun, fun. Up, sup, tup. Us, bus, nas. Okay. Ini maksudnya CVC words shaswara six letters sumgi yo tick doche. Tangi da lain di basic sentence coba kasih cici ting atau nyam doche login darwa. Laso I went for a run in the sun. I went for a run in the sun. In the sun na de sambula the nima nang la la da ke mara ni nga to khado nyingu in the daytime yorwa nima shar de yoro nam shirwa ti du I went for a run in the sun ra nyingu nima shar de du sambula nga khado chin juksha ne nga do ra I saw a pup in a tub with mud. I saw a pup in a tub with mud. The pup lady de la khari ko na puppy ki chung era ki chung chi tub thanda jo balti do la ne re subuti sa do la ne re tinde chinang la khare tamba nyam do yo ki push tongsus ki tush tongsus ra a buck was on a bus. Kardo a buck was on a bus. Buck lana bu ra. Chichunangor bus yora digi gana kardo buck chikdu bu chikdus. Okay. A pup was outside a hut with a nut. A pup was outside a hut with a nut. Hut lana ta tsang do lana re ta basically khangba chi der ra ani pup lana thali puppy kidru ji khardu tsanga chnandus khangba chnandus with a nut lana jo khali re do le re sad do ra o de do snyam dus I got home and gave my mum a hug. I got home and gave my mum a hug. Nang lalle sos nang lalle nikhachi mum lana ama hug lana thambarwa ni nang lalle oda amala chik thami ne jura this is low down the dus cha ida themachi goni thama dus nyam de chik logi dara I went for a run in the sun. I saw a pup in a tub with mud. A buck was on a bus. A pup was outside a hut with a nut. I got home and gave my mum a hug. Let's do that. Taringi vowel U, letter U, pronunciation ra. Tiri ko lang yung di tustochi. Laso linge tharingi nyendun diran sami khazani nganse nyimanga gi nyendun samani ki playlist chik so shawarwa linge so ni channel la pheni playlist chik siruna ane vowel khazani a e o a chamaga nyendun ra re ane di linge la phen thobu chuyo ni rewa something ni chigi lecha ane thandaba de kisi phen thobu du samya rojik da ni gi lega chigyo di yapu stu samna inji khenge so ye channel la subscribe chiro na share ra dile rosna di ngarang le yang ta khenge la phenge sare len so le wo di simshu chigle mitang de this ma do de okay me mampu chi thana chi sare la chi so le di lega chi ye yang mama treasure ra dile ro chi le khewa shor bu du share ra ani subscribe chiro na ani kisi chungna shimba su la pinja tubu su la share chiro re ji ne go chung sare la so ani ta the let's say series 5 days or 5 hours series the chawa yin tharing nyin thung di nyam dola ta jemani ya tunda chik la ya thama chik chin nyin thu ta ngai dira yi ani jema nyin dos la lengi so kya ti je ra chi ye la so